In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make gradient text in CapCut PC. This is a fantastic way to add some flair and visual interest to your projects, and it's not as complicated as it might seem. With just a few steps, you'll be creating text that looks both professional and eye-catching. So let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once you have the software ready and running, look towards the top of your screen where you'll find the text option. A simple click there will get you going in the right direction. When you click on text, you'll see an option to add text. Go ahead and select that, and then you're free to type in whatever text you like. This could be your name, a title, or anything relevant to your project. Now, turn your attention to the timeline, which is where all your magic happens. You should notice the text layer sitting there. Select it to proceed further with the customization. Here's where we start working on transforming that plain text into something much more dynamic. Start by adding a color to your first text piece. Choose a shade that will ideally serve as the beginning of your gradient effect. Once that's done, move on to your second piece of text and apply another color. Pick a shade that complements or contrasts nicely with the first one to create that gradient effect. The next step is to duplicate your initial text. You can simply copy and paste it to maintain consistency. Having your duplicate ready, right-click on each individual text and look for the option to Create Compound Clip. This compound step helps in melding our text layers together while giving us more freedom to work adjustments. Next, find the Mask tool on the right sidebar. Clicking on it will unveil several options. For this project, we want to select Split under Mask. This is where we're going to visually split our text to start forming that gradient effect. It's a critical step where precision matters. But don't worry, CapCut makes it easy. You can adjust the angle and position of the mask line as you like. Doing this will create a gradient cut appearance. And here's a little tip for adding finesse. Increase the feathering on the mask. This feature softens the edges and makes the blending between your two colors smooth and seamless. Spend a few moments adjusting both the mask angle and feather until you're happy with how smoothly the colors blend together. Congratulations, you've done it. You've successfully created gradient text in CapCut PC. Now, you can take this technique and apply it to any project you like, adding that extra bit of polish and style. Thanks for following along, and enjoy creating more amazing content.